Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is August the 5th, 2019, and I wanted to give you an update on the Petite orange marigolds that I grew from seed. Now I do have videos on my channel for how I grew these from seed, and I did show some of these this year, and I took a first place with them, so I'll put a picture on of those. Now, in 1958, these were a winner for the AAS show, and these are an heirloom, and these will continue blooming providing that you take the spent blossoms off of them. Like this one here is spent, so I just kind of take it off right back there. Now some of these kind of got ahead of me a little bit, so like this one here, I will do another video showing you how to collect seeds from your marigolds. And that's just a way to keep them blooming longer. And the Petite orange marigolds get about 1 to 2 feet tall. Now, I don't think mine have ever gotten that big. Mine have stayed pretty much short and border height. So I do use them out in borders. And marigolds are good for helping to repel pests from certain plants. And in a book that I'll leave a link down in the description for, it's called Carrots Love Tomatoes. It talks about companion planting, and it does have an article in there on marigolds. So I do like companion planting. I know some people don't, but from my experience with companion planting, it did very well for us. So, and that's what I'm telling you based on my experience with companion planting. Now, marigolds they can tolerate drier soil, but you don't want to let them wilt. So just go ahead and kind of give them some water every now and then. Just make sure that you don't overwater them. And if they wilt, they should come back from a nice watering. And you can grow marigolds in containers. I have seen them put in hanging baskets already. And I know some people do interplant them in with their vegetables, and that's some of the companion planting. And marigolds will readily reseed themselves. They'll drop their seeds and they'll start germinating again in the spring. And you want to plant your marigolds out after the danger of frost has passed. And marigolds are an annual, but they have a lovely coloring to them. Now some people don't like the fragrance of marigolds because like the foliage and stuff can have a fragrance to it. Some people don't care for it. It doesn't bother me. Now one of the things that you want to watch out for on marigolds is black spot, and I have in the past had issues with black spot, but this year it looks like they're doing very well for me. And you can give these a well-balanced fertilizer if you choose to feed them. And just make sure that when you feed them that the soil is nice and moist so you don't burn the root systems on them. But marigolds are pretty carefree plants. Other than deadheading them and taking the spent blossoms off, you really don't have to do much of anything with them. Now this particular bloom here is just coming, and you can see this one here, the flower is spent on it. This one here has gone to seed, so I will be doing a video then for how to harvest marigold seeds. So if you liked my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. It'll tell you as I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye!